So I've discussed very important one, that is called how to schedule by Instagram post. So you create by on Instagram account. This is your business. This is your Instagram account. I can schedule my Instagram post. I using a lot of tools, lot of applications. So in this one, very important application is called. You can use application is called APPHI. You go to the Play Store. I'll show the option in your mobile version. Go to mobile version. The application name called APPHI. First of all, click for install. The application will go APPHI. Select it. So once you install this application, this will be scheduled by post on your particular application. So it will be installed. Now, once starting install, click for open. This APPHI they're using by most of the people using by Instagram schedule post purpose. Instagram schedule post purpose. Now click for what is that? Login with the Instagram. So select here or else you're not interested. Login with your APPHI. So already I have an account will be there. Select it. Click for login. Is it clear? So how many accounts you have paid by year will be here. A social account, Instagram, add your username. You can see this one. So enter the password. We can join multiple accounts on your this APPHI application to schedule post by Instagram account. So I'm schedule by post here. So login little bit take the time. First of all, they are fetching information, login your particular account. See this one. So each application is installed by the number of Instagram account and Facebook. But the application using by most of the people using by Instagram purpose. Why? Because they already give by Facebook by using application called Facebook schedule. Only problem for Instagram account. See, again using by to install. Now click for your particular application. Third option call is post. The post schedule will be totally options are gallery, drag and drop preview, search and repost, stories, bulk schedule and cancel. So in this one, I'm selecting here is the gallery. So I'm posting for one image here. I'm scheduled. So set by the your gallery post. Here, what are the image you can select? Select. Here, zoom mode will be not working by particular post. Here, what is the option will be not working by particular post. Select by if you are using for zoom mode, when you click for next, sometimes the condition will be not working by your application. So that time, don't use the zoom mode option. Using by zoom mode or zoom in will be not working. Using by zoom in application. Sometimes not working for zoom mode options. Now click for next. That will be supported by mobile version. Now here, add your description. So same as it is as your mobile version, but it will be scheduled by your post. So add your information here. Information. Paste. Now click for done. Time zone and post time. So when your time will be post. So now my time will be 6:54. Scheduled by time and your mobile version. So the scheduled post will be always delay for 5 minutes. Facebook scheduled post will be delay for 10 minutes. Instagram scheduled post will be delay for 5 minutes. On time scheduled post is not available by Instagram scheduled post. The delay for 5 minutes. That is called our time will be 18:55. This time will be 19. So I'm changing for time zone. Click it will be what is this? So if I go to select by here, accepting is correct. So I'm going to 18, 18. So my time will be 8:56. Here I'm give the 8:58. They're not accepting. So that is called click for OK. So any scheduled post delay for how many minutes? Totally 5 minutes. After click for done. The post was scheduled by exactly time of 99, nothing but 7 o'clock till 1 minute. Is it clear? This will be scheduled post by using APP-HI application on your mobile version. In the future, everything using by the mobile version to promote by any Instagram post. This will be very useful application by the Instagram, any scheduled post. The scheduled post is not supported by Instagram to Facebook and Twitter. They support only for Instagram scheduled post purpose. And always delay for how many minutes? Totally 5 minutes. So wait for 7 o'clock, 1 minute. After that, the post will be showing for where? On particular Instagram application. So this is called your schedule by application using APP-HI application. You can log in for any number of Instagram account using by add social network, Instagram and Facebook page. So this is how we can use this application using by Play Store. I will show the Play Store here. Just see this all. When you post anytime Zoom mode is not working, can use by Zoom in. There is a very mandatory field. So here finally the analytic will improve by more viewers and likes by schedule by post. So if you are not available by 1 week, you can schedule post using by this application on your Instagram account. That is called regular update is called more increase your visitors on your Instagram account will get getting for followers. This is called your application name. Please write down application name APP-HI schedule post for